Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X80 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this phone through recovery mode. Now before I get started with the process, I'm going to quickly mention that this also allows you to get rid of a screen lock. So the reset will get rid of a screen lock. Obviously this also deletes all the data. And additionally, when doing this in order to remove a screen lock that you, for instance, don't know, usually you will end up with having your device locked, and after the reset is finished, you will need to verify either the screen lock or the Google account that is signed in on the device prior to the reset. So for me, once I go through this, I'll basically need to either put in the pattern, which I do know, or the Google account that is signed in on here, which again, I also know. Now, that being said, there is a way to bypass this without actually verifying it, which I'll be recording a video on how you can do this. So for people that are interested in this, that will be the next video I'll be going through. In any case, let's start off with the reset. So we'll need to turn off the device. Now we can do this even if you know the screen lock, it doesn't really matter. If you don't know, nothing really changes. So here's my screen lock. We can hold our power button. Let's try it again. There we go. We're going to select power off. And when the device turns off, hold your power button and volume up at the same time. This will then boot us into fast boot mode, at which point you can let go of the two buttons. And then using volume down, press it once to select recovery mode, confirm it with the power button. From here, you want to select clear data, clear all data. Okay. Return, press the back arrow and select restart and OK. This will then reboot the device and continue the resetting of it in the background. This process will take a couple minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.